In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add debit or credit card from Alibaba account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to fill in so your card is ready for future purchases. First, open your browser and go to Alibaba.com. Make sure you're signed into your buyer account so you can access your settings. On the top right of the page, look for your profile icon. Click it to open the account menu. This is where Alibaba groups your account shortcuts, so it's the quickest way to reach your dashboard. From that menu, select My Alibaba. This takes you into your personal dashboard where you manage orders, messages, and payments. Once you're in, look for the payments area in the navigation and click payment. If the layout looks a little different, that's okay. Alibaba sometimes updates the interface, but the payments section will be available from this dashboard area. Inside payment, choose payment management. This opens the page where your wallet and stored payment methods are managed. Here, you'll see options to add or manage cards. To add a card for the first time or to store an additional one, click Add a New Card. A secure form will appear for your card details. Now, enter the details of your card carefully. Start with the card number. Type it exactly as it appears on the card. The system may detect the card type automatically once the number is complete. Next, enter the name on your card, matching the exact spelling and order shown on the card. Then add the expiration date using the month and year in the format the form shows. If there are drop-downs, select the correct month and year. Finally, enter the CVV security code. For most cards, this is the 3-digit number on the back. For some cards, it may be a 4-digit number on the front. Keep this information private and only enter it on secure pages with the padlock icon in your browser. Before submitting, take a moment to double-check everything. A single typo in the number, name, or date can cause the card to be declined later. When everything looks correct, click Confirm. Your card details will be securely saved to your Alibaba wallet and will be available the next time you check out. You can return to payment management anytime to review, edit, or remove stored cards if your information changes. That's it. Go to Alibaba.com, open your profile, head into My Alibaba, select payment, go to payment management, choose add a new card, enter your card number, name, expiration date, and CVV, then confirm. Thanks for watching and happy sourcing.